Indian date and mixed dried fruit truffles. Hello and welcome. I'm Margaret Pinto.
Cooking made so easy. That's why we have Indian curry recipes, simplifying authentic Indian cuisine. Now you can make it from home. Join us today.
So soak overnight almonds and walnuts and peel the almonds. Take the seeds off the dates. So roughly about 1 cup you'll need. So crush the nuts first, then add the dates and grind it further to a smooth paste. Now in a deep pot, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it melts, add the ground paste to it of nuts and date. We are adding no sugar to this. You can add ghee as well, clarified Indian butter. So we'll cook this for 15 minutes over medium heat. Make sure you watch it and stir it well. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Super simple sweet to make and healthy too. If you're nut allergic, then avoid nuts completely. Mix this all completely, roughly about 10 minutes. And let it cool for 5 minutes. So in another pot, you roast pecans or any other almonds or non-soaked almonds. This is for the crunchiness. We'll be adding it to the mixture. So roast it really well so it's nice and crunchy. Break it into small pieces. Pecans break very easily, but for almonds you'll have to chop it up with a knife. So roast it for roughly about 2 to 3 minutes and add it to the date mixture. Mix it and let it cool. Mix it thoroughly. This will make the entire sweet nice and crunchy. Now in the same pot where we roasted the pecan and the almonds, you roast the poppy seeds, khus, which is really good for health. Spread on the foil and add the date mixture after once it's cooled. Spread it on the aluminium foil. We did not add any sugar to this. Sprinkle the remaining poppy seeds on top. Fold it and roll it like this. And seal it and freeze for 2 hours. Or in the fridge days before serving. Make sure you seal it nice and tight. Now in a plate, mix cocoa powder and icing sugar. Well, you can avoid icing sugar if you don't want sweet and you want the natural sweetness. Just use cocoa powder. This is just for the truffle dusting. So you cut a little bit of the portion and you make it into a ball. Super simple, super easy. Just roll it into a ball with your hand or on the palm. And then roll it in the cocoa mixture. There you go. Super easy recipe. And healthy too. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Hi everyone! So I'm super excited to share with you my book, my first book by our Indian curry recipe. Behind getting this company was to help many women who have lost their jobs just like me. And this is the book we launched to raise funds, and next year we'll be hiring loads of women who've lost their job, starting with UK. And each book bought will contribute towards the business. We'll put it back in the business and will help us hire women for a bigger project. And it's a surprise at the moment, but you will get to know in Jan. So keep supporting us. Thank you so much for all your love. Subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Every subscription, every fan, every follower means a lot to us. And each week we are coming up with new recipes as per the vote. So luxury but easy to make recipes. Yeah, so head straight to our YouTube channel, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Don't hesitate to email us, info@indiancurryrecipes.com. Yeah. So please buy the book. Thank you. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button for notification. New recipe. Remember, every Friday 12 p.m. new recipe UK time. Thank you. Bye.